Well, we had a lot more snow last night, so it's deja vu. Back at it with the old plastic plow. Get this driveway cleaned up. As you can see, I had it totally clear. And then we had a few more inches, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches more snow last night. I guess we had like 7 or 8 inches in all. But I believe this old plastic plow is going to take care of the job. We'll give it a whirl and see what it does. It is time to get the old plastic snowplow back out into action here. And here's the driveway. Let's see what it'll do. Lots of pretty snow on the trees and whatnot. Looks like it's raining at the moment. Alright, so got plenty of coffee in my Yeti here. And I am ready to start plowing the snow. Just like that, let the snow plowing begin. Let's ease on up into the plow. Let's get going. First pass with the old plastic snowplow, and check it out, it really did a really great job. And this is very wet snow, so the next thing we have to do is come back down the driveway and hit the left side of this chevron design. So the first it's both sides, and after that you have to put the left to right to push that snow. And it's a perfect design for a homeowner. It's not for commercial purposes. But now let's go ahead and get this now. And boom, just like that, 10 minutes later, the driveway is clear. All the while I was in a nice warm truck, heated up, enjoying my coffee, and it was awesome. So I highly recommend this plastic snowplow. It gets the job done, especially for homeowners. Want to save your back a little bit.